Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where I'm going to be unboxing my very first advent calendar for the year 2020. I am so excited to start this, of course, with Maybelline mini advent calendar. You guys, we have the calendar in the house and I'm going to go ahead unbox this, share with you guys what we have inside. Now I bought this one here for €14.59, which is quite affordable, and this calendar contains 5 products, which basically means one for each advent plus one for Christmas. So there we go, 5 products in here. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this. Of course, the package is still sealed here. As you can see, we do have the sellotape at the back here. So I'm going to try to take that, to remove that if we can. Okay, there we go. Oops, I ripped off the box there. And the other side, taking that out. Last year I did unbox, the big advent calendar from Maybelline. All right, now the stickers are off. Let's go ahead. I'll quickly show you how the packaging looks like. So this is how the packaging for this advent calendar looks like. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead, take this out. Oh, okay, so we have everything packed looking like that. You can see there are 5 boxes in there, which is quite lovely. So I'll begin with number 1, which is of course right here. So we'll take that one out and let's see what we have in here. In a message, it says, "Let the magic begin." You can see right there, let the magic begin. Okay, but first lipstick. So we do get I wanted that to be a surprise. So it is a lipstick, looks like. Okay, let's find out what kind of lipstick is in here. And we have it right here already. So it is, oh, the color looks beautiful, you guys. Look at the color. Okay, that looks stunning. Oh, all right, let me swatch that one for you guys. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Look at the shade. I definitely can see myself wearing that. It is a beautiful shade. Let's move on to box number 2. I'll just pop them right here. So box number 2 happens to be a bigger one, which is this one right here. Okay, let's take that out and have a look. All right, it says, "Dear Santa, please leave presents here." All right, you can see right there. And at the back it says, "Smile bright," or "Shine bright like a diamond." Okay, is this supposed to be more like a highlighter? Shine bright like a diamond. Okay, let's find out. I'm guessing a highlighter. Paper is out. Oh, okay, so we get an eyeshadow palette. It is a mini eyeshadow palette, you guys. Look at that. The City Mini palette. That is what we are getting. I like the shades in here. Okay, ooh, this one looks so inviting. And that shimmer shade as well looks really, really beautiful. Okay, I cannot wait to definitely actually give this a try. Hold on, let's just open it so that we can see how the shades looks like. And it is, of course, in the name is Diamond District 540 already. Ooh, those colors looks lovely, don't they? What do you guys think? Look at that. That shimmer shade in there, it's like screaming my name. All right, I'll probably do another video where I'll go ahead and like test all the products for you guys. So that is our box number 2. Let's move on to box number 3, which is this one right here. Already taking that out, and it says, "Leave a little sparkle wherever you go." All right, that is our message right there. And of course at the back it says, "Too glam to give a damn." Okay, so there we go. What could this be? Another lipstick maybe? Leave a sparkle. Oh, maybe a highlighter. Ooh, maybe not, because we have a nail polish, you guys. A nail polish, look at that. But this color looks very familiar, you guys, from last year's advent calendar. Hold on, what's the shade? Okay, so it said smoked roses, flamed rose. Oh, I have this shade already, you guys, from last year's advent calendar, and I do love this shade actually. I think it's sitting somewhere here on my table because I was sorting my nail polishes. Hold on, let me find it. I could be wrong, but no, that is not the one. Oh, here we go. I have it. Flamed roses 547 547. Oh, here we go. It's exactly the same shade, you guys, from last year's advent calendar, but I don't mind having it in here because it is the color that I actually, you know, love to use. This one is almost finished, but yeah, it is this beautiful, gorgeous color that you guys have seen me use, you know, before. You can see the name right there. So yeah, I'm so happy. I'll quickly show you how it looks like, that we actually have this one in here, because it is a beautiful, stunning shade that I think anyone would definitely love. So yeah, happy with the nail polish. Let's move on to, of course, box number 4, which is right at the top there. And this one here, oh, okay, looks like we have something in here that is very interesting. Let your heart shine through your smile. Oh, what could this be? Let your heart shine through your smile. A lipstick? Okay, let's find out. Let's find out what we have in here. I'm already excited. Hold on. Yes, I was right. Oh, how did I know, you guys? We have a lipstick. Is that a lipstick or a lip crayon? Look at that. Hold on. I'll show you quickly before I open it. And this color looks absolutely stunning. So what is it? Hold on. Let's open it out. Come on, you're gonna take the paper thing off if I can. Okay. Oh. All right. Come on, we got you. All right. So it is, what says, intense velvet lip crayon. All right. 310. That's the shade there. Oh, was that a name in this paper? I could have. Hold on. Oh yeah, 310 berry match. Berry, as in berry match. So 310. But this is how. Oh, that looks lovely. Okay, look at that, you guys. All right, let me swatch it actually. Oh, this. Oh, and it's so creamy. My, look at that, you guys. It's this one right here. That is so creamy. I'm definitely already loving this. Look at that. That looks absolutely beautiful. So this is, of course, that shade right there. OM to the G. So stunning. I cannot wait to try this one on my lips, of course. Like I said, yeah, I'll do another video. But that is, of course, what was on box number 4. Now let's move on to the last box, which is, of course, our Christmas Eve box, which is this one here. It's even say there, Christmas Eve. All right, it says Merry Christmas Maybelline. Okay, Maybelline. All right, so that is the box right there, and at the back it says, it's Lash O'Clock, dream with your eyes wide open. All right, so I mean, with these little messages here, like a teaser, I mean, you can already tell what is in here. It says lash, you know, wide open. So a mascara. That's just my guess. That's just my guess. I don't know. I could be wrong. But you know, the spoiler said it all. Let's find out. And I was right. Oh, okay. Calm down. It's only a mascara. Chill, woman, chill. All right, wow. We do have a mascara, you guys, a volume one. And I have used this one in the past. Definitely, I'm happy with this one. It is such a beautiful mascara that gives you that volume. And for me, I found this one that it doesn't smudge, you know, it doesn't like, you know, look weird on the eyes, because some mascaras do that. You apply them, you know, a minute later, 2 minutes later, it's just all over your eyes, all over your eyeshadows. This one doesn't do that for somehow, at least to me. I find it's quite good, so I am happy we got one of those in there. I'll quickly show you how the brush looks like. So that is the brush right there. You can see definitely for volume. Yeah, so that was our last product in box number 5, of course, our Christmas Eve. So there we go, guys. We have, of course, all these goodies here, which I will be, you know, trying very soon. So I'm quite excited, and I think overall I'm going to overall, I do you know, I'm happy with the product that we received in here, and I'm going to add the total for everything, you know, somewhere on the screen, so you guys can see on how everything, you know, all came together. But yeah, those were the product that I got in this, you know, mini advent calendar. You can see there: lip crayon, lipstick, a mini eyeshadow palette, a nail polish, and a mascara. So those are the products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course definitely look out for more advent calendar. I might be, you know, unboxing more in the future. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have, definitely smash that like button for more advent calendar or for more makeup and skincare in general video, because I do them all here. And ring your bell so that way you are notified every time I upload a new exciting video. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching this one. Go have a good one. Lots of love. Take care, and I shall catch you all lovely people on my next video. All right, bye for now.